Let me show you the best part. We're gonna go to the backyard. Welcome back, everybody. Michael from Soares Landscaping, and today we're featuring a project that we finished in 2020 here in Waterloo. We're standing in a driveway, blue 80 from Teckle block with a nice border on the side. We've got this checker pattern going on where we've got shale gray and Champlain gray mixed in. The reason why we did that is actually because we ran out of material last year. We couldn't get shale gray anymore, but we could get Champlain. Blends in with the house actually better than we ever thought it would. Let me show you the front entrance. So when we build front entrances, we like them to be big and proportionate to the house. Before, they just had this small porch, which left a lot to be desired. But now we've got a very welcoming entrance up to the landing with lighting in it so you can see where you're going at night. And of course, as in every other project we do, we feature it with beautiful landscapes, lots of plants. And of course, you can now see the lighting, so it really takes it to a whole new level. Let me show you the best part. We're gonna go to the backyard. The entrance to the backyard. Right away you can see the awesome pool. The pool is about 35 to 40 feet long. Right off of the walkway here is a state-of-the-art therapy hot tub from Hydro Pool, and our friends at Waterscape have set this up for the client. It's also featured just around a brand new deck that Jay Fencing has built for us. This is a wood called Kebony. It's a hardwood, and it's, as you can tell, it's going from brown to a slightly gray. It actually turns silver. Very soft to the touch, no splinters. Really nice. I'm really impressed with this wood. And of course, in the steps again, we featured lighting as well. Let's go check out the dining space. Often we have a lot of elevations in projects, so that's why we have this landing, if you will, with the hot tub. We had lots of room to play with, so we didn't want to short out the space. We've got an 8-person dining set that actually expands to 10 people. Everyone gets to eat here with this view. So let's go take a look at the features that come with the pool. So this pool features an auto cover. Basically, it makes life with a pool super easy. At the moment, we've opened it, but with a click of a button, we can close it all the way. The auto cover is also the winter cover, so there is no additional winter cover for this pool. We didn't have to drill into the patio for anchor clips for the winter cover. It is the cover. You just close it and you're done. The auto cover acts as basically a solar blanket during the summer months, so it makes life super easy. It's also got the lights in there that change colors. You can basically change it to whatever you want. With the pool, we've given this boardwalk look of a pool lounge area, and behind that features the garden as well. You'll notice inside the garden there's a couple speakers. Again, we have audio here, but we've got speakers all the way around, including the side planter here. One of the reasons why we have the side planter is just because of some plumbing that was put into the cabana, and there's pipes sticking up, so we hid them. This cabana is from a company called Summerwood, and they do prefabbed buildings, and they were in Toronto. But the best part is the fire pit patio area that's down here. This is really quite something special. Our client has put these string lights out, which I thought was a brilliant idea. In the fire pit patio, we featured Borealis from Teckle block, which is a product where they've mimicked the texture of wood. So it looks like wood, but it's not wood. Will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me. Glad I could show you the space. Clients are super happy, and it was a pleasure for us to work on this project. Really quite something. I'm gonna enjoy the fire. I'll see you next time.